The universe is a stage of stunning complexity. Was it designed by a higher intelligence, or did it simply happen by chance? Cosmology, the science of studying the universe, asks those very questions. And the answers, so far, have led to two very different conclusions, each one with profound implications, from the value of life itself to the possibility of destiny beyond death. Materialists, secular scientists, usually atheists, say the universe began with one unrepeatable event, the Big Bang. They claim it started as an infinitely dense, hot point and expanded faster than the speed of light over 14 billion years into the cosmos we see today. Creationists, mainly Christian scientists, look at the same data, plus the Bible, and conclude the universe was created by an intelligent, powerful being, God. Neither side is without merit, and neither side is without challenges. The question is, where do you stand? As a former agnostic, I can tell you the Big Bang never sat well with me. Maybe it's my Christian upbringing, but the problems with the theory are real, and they're credible. For starters, many of its core claims run against the known laws of physics. Two in particular stand out. First, nothing can travel faster than the speed of light. Second, and this one is undeniable, something cannot come from nothing. Yet those two claims sit right at the heart of the Big Bang. Terence McKenna summed it up perfectly. Modern science is based on the principle, give us one free miracle, and we'll explain the rest. And that miracle, in this case, is the sudden appearance of all matter, all energy, and even the laws of physics out of nothing. So let's take a closer look at the Big Bang and creationism side by side. I should be clear about this. I'm now a Christian, but I know what it's like to wrestle with doubt. My goal isn't to push an agenda, it's to help seekers find truth. I'll do my best to be fair to both views, even as I explain why I find the creationist worldview more convincing. Let's dive in. Challenges to the Big Bang. First, the something from nothing problem. The Big Bang begins with a mystery. Everything, space, time, energy, and matter appeared out of nothing. Not from empty space, from no space, no time, no matter, no physics. So what expanded? How does that sit with you? Materialists usually say, we don't know what came before the Big Bang, but we're working on it. I find that a little disingenuous, especially from scientists, because what we do know contradicts the idea. The first law of thermodynamics says matter and energy cannot create themselves. So how do we explain it? And how can we study what existed before matter when all we have to study is matter? I'll admit, I only have a basic understanding of science, so if you have insight here, leave it in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Second, the fine-tuning of the universe. The constants of nature, gravity, electromagnetism, the rate of cosmic expansion are balanced on a razor's edge. Change any one of them, even slightly, and life would be impossible. This leads straight to the intelligent design argument. Just like a watch implies a watchmaker, the precision of the universe points to a designer. Of course, materialists push back. They say creationists cherry-pick examples of design out of a universe that's mostly chaotic. But consider this analogy. Imagine you're hiking through a forest. You see fallen trees, scorched earth from fires, random rock formations. Everything looks chaotic. Then you come across a log cabin. Roof, doors, windows. Would you believe it had no builder? Now imagine the cabin has a generator, like your heart, plumbing, like your digestive system, and even smart technology, like your brain and nervous system. Wouldn't one structure in the middle of all that chaos point to design? And if there's design, there must be a designer. That's the kind of reasoning that convinced me creationism makes more sense than materialism. There's a lot more to explore, and we'll dig into these and other issues in future videos. So if you want to be part of the discussion, consider subscribing. Share your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. Let's build a community of people willing to learn from each other.